Hello everyone, welcome to Mariner's Point. The primary and secondary winding of a 30 kilovolt ampere 6230 volt 1 horsepower transformer have resistance of 10 ohm and 0.016 ohm. The reactance of transformer referred to the primary is 34. Calculate the primary voltage required to circulate full load current when the secondary is short circuited. What is the power factor on the short circuit? First, I will write what are the data given in the question. So, transformer rating is given, which is 30 kilovolt ampere. Primary resistance, secondary resistance is given, and reactance, which is referred to the primary coil, is given, which is 34 ohm. Now we have to calculate primary voltage, which is required for circulating full load current when secondary is short circuited. Power factor on short circuited. Though condition in two condition we have to calculate primary voltage and power factor. Now on secondary side, full load current. So how we will calculate? Simply power is equal to VI, and it is given in rating kilovolt ampere given. So I is equal to power by volt. Then I2 kilovolt ampere power voltage into current. So we will we will calculate. We will multiply by 1000 for removing kilo. So 30,000 divided by 230. Then 130.43 ampere is your secondary side full load current, and primary side coil similarly we will calculate. Then we will get 5 ampere. Now secondary resistance to primary side, how we will calculate? So there is a formula for it. Using this formula we will calculate secondary resistance to primary side. R2 is given, and V1 by V2 voltage square ratio. Then we will get secondary resistance to the primary side. So this will be 10.9 ohm. We have to remember this formula. Now total equivalent impedance referred to the primary R1 plus R2, then 10 plus 10.9, 20.9. Okay. Now we will calculate Z equivalent. That means resistance and impedance we will include, and then we will get equivalent impedance. This is the resistance side and this is impedance side. Then equivalent impedance we will get by this one, R plus Z, R plus Z, ZX. So formula for this is under root R square plus X square. So same thing we are applying here, and then we will get total equivalent impedance. Next, voltage required to circulate full load current. Simple formula IR. So I1 we have already calculated, and Z equivalent we already calculated above. Then voltage required to circulate full load current is 199.5 volt. This is the primary voltage current. Now we have to calculate power factor. Formula for power factor is Very simple. Cos pi is equal to R divided by Z. R equivalent we already calculated. Z equivalent we will calculated. We will simply get power factor. Lagging and leading we will get by uh, impedance and inductance. Which one is greater?